lunch today at Daddy-O's.
Daddy-O's.
Okay, so Andy and I would just got our food from Daddy-O, and look.
Oh my god,
beautiful
this is so good. Look at this. These golden, crispy, sweet potato fries. So mouth-watering.
Okay, so I just finished eating with Andy, and I'm actually going to pick up my friend, and I'm dropping her off at the airport because she's going to Vancouver today. And then I am going to pick up my cousin. She's arriving today from Calgary, so I will just pick her up and we'll just do something fun. And look, here's my plant. I'm giving to my friend to take care of it, so yeah. Okay, so I just picked up my cousin, and she is here.
I'm not gonna talk to a camera.
She's camera shy, so yeah. Okay, so me and my cousin were at West Ed and at the pet shop. They're so cute. I wish I could take them home. Oh, and they're so cute. So fat. Why you gotta be so fat? You're so fat. Just... Oh, look at this guy. I'm gonna take you home. I eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Aww. Oh my god, it's so cute. Puppy. Puppy. I'm gonna eat you, but oh, it's a guinea pig. I thought it was a hamster. Ha ha ha! Yum 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 yum. Okay, so right now we're at the Muttart Conservatory. I'm not sure what it's called, but here is the aired pyramid. What's it called again?
This is the old man balls cactus, everybody.
What do you
Extremely rare.
think of it? What do you think of it?
It is very, very
It's saggy.
It's what?
It's saggy.
Okay, so this is a temperate pyramid in the conservatory, and look how pretty this is.
So
It's deep
it's no face coming to life.
in the conservatory.
Oh, this is great actually. Look at that. That's his arm, that's his hip, and that's his.
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse.
Why don't you take a picture of that?
Mickey Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Yum. I wanna eat it.
Look at all those colorful butterflies.
Umbrella.
They're supposed to be butterflies.
Are they?
Like the giant butterfly in the middle.
Oh wait, I didn't even see this giant butterfly.
Oh, actually, I think those are
crap.
these are supposed to be flower petals, the ones in the air.
Okay, I have no. Oh wait, the
Yeah, that makes
butterfly's
sense.
face looks really scary.
Wait, that's a butterfly?
They actually added.
Okay, so we just found this giant ass bead. Look how scary that is. Okay, so hi guys. We're at the restaurant. What's it called? Jumbo Dim Sum.
Jumbo dim sum.
In Edmonton. Yo, this is embarrassing. I'm gonna cut that part out. Okay, and look at the food. It's amazing. Andy, how do you feel about this?
I'm ready to dig in.
Okay, so we're just about to go watch Conjuring 2. I am so scared. I even bought this to protect myself from the movie. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing. But yeah, I hope this is gonna be good. First time watching horror movie in the theater, so wish me luck. Okay, so we literally just watched The Conjuring, and I swear, I almost died. Sarah, how was it?
She's morally traumatized.
Okay, yeah, so clearly it was like fucked up scary. So how's everybody doing?
It was a good kind of scary though. I like it. It's really good.
Yeah.
I feel
Sarah,
like
what do you feel about this?
Good amount of scare and good amount of plot.
I'm not excited anymore.
Yeah, it was shit